this is the aftermath. How good do I look? I just did my classic. I always do the slide because I feel like it suits me. So I'm going home. I'm with Khodiso. Juni's at home alone, so hopefully he's alright. But this is the hair. It looks really nice. So yeah, I think I'll see you guys later. I'm tired. Bye bye. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day. Today is Sunday and I am going to work. I'm not excited, as you can tell. So I'm at the mall. I have to buy a few things before I leave because by the time I get to where I'm going, all the stores will be closed. So I decided to just go and buy, I think I'm gonna buy meat and vegetables because thankfully during Black Friday I bought a lot of things, so there's no need for me to buy any more things except for vegetables and meat. So we're going to the mall right now. I'm going in and then I'll take you through while I'm busy picking, yeah, only vegetable, maybe even fruits. Okay guys, as you can see, I have put the shoes underneath, but they don't fit. So some of the shoes, I'm just gonna take them and then shove them under the bed, and then those ones that are underneath, they are the ones that I would wear for maybe next week or the other week. But yeah, that's how I organize. I used to put them on the table there, but I realized that I can just use that space for putting my books, journals, and all those things, because the space is very small, so you have to work with what you have. So yeah, the rest of the shoes, I'm just gonna take them and then shove them underneath the bed, and then continue with the cleaning. I am done with the cleaning. Don't mind the t-shirt, I just changed it because I was feeling extra hot. Anyways, I just wanted to come in and say thank you so much for your continuous support, and thank you so much for watching. I'm not done, but the sun is setting and I decided I think the footage that I have is enough. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and tell me which shoes you liked the most. Until the next one, bye for now.